Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 29th of July 2014 market review. The trade today is called MMI Holdings. The code for MMI itself. Last traded price was 258 rand, 25 rand 83 cents. Action buy long. So you want to buy from a low level to a high level. Entry level will be 25.73. So expecting a break up here from this downward channel. Target is 27.11, 27 rand 11 on the green line here. If this downside channel still want to continue to go down, please use this red line as a stop loss level of 25 rand and 4 cents. Still open trades, PSG, Exxaro and Nonmin. And looking at the top 40 index, as you can see, the blue line is the index movement. It went through the 5-day moving average, that's the dotted line, the grey line upwards, and the solid 20-day moving average upwards as well. The markets had a nice movement yesterday, almost 400 points positive from opening, and currently a lot of movement still due in data due. Looking at the American futures in early morning trade is showing a bit positiveness, not a lot, about 8 points positive. Looking at the Dow Industrials, that's the Dow Jones on the American markets, they closed 22 points positive Monday evening. Trading just underneath the 17,000 points. Looking at this 23% on the Fibonacci, 16,954 points. That was Friday's close. The bounced up and I went a bit up here. And as you can see, started to break through the green line and the support line and testing the Fibonacci this moment at this bottom. That is current big support. A lot of data due from the Americans, especially Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. We will declare it on Facebook and on Skype. So it's going to be a lot of volatility in the market and it's earnings season. Looking at this, a bit of sideways movement in this upward channel happening on the Dow at this time. Looking at the top 40, that's the top 40 on the JSE. This is the breakup yesterday in our markets. Now what we need to track is the following. I'm just going to show you here. It's currently trading here on the 46,700 points. Yeah, I'm just extending the support and resistance basically on the channel at this moment. Look at this cycle, it's a huge cycle, smaller cycle, much smaller cycle. There's the big small cycle. At any time if it breaks this 47,000 points on the specific trade or index on the J200, you could see most probably a movement up. But this shows now it was at the bottom, recovered nicely yesterday. Need to see if it's going to break this red line here on the resistance side. And currently the low is was about 46,200 and the current high is about 46,700 and the next high is 47,000. So let's see where the market will take us for all this news coming to the market, and the strikes are over as well. Shoprite. Now Shoprite, if you look at this share, blue is the share price here, went up, currently came a bit down, didn't break the 162.90 at all. Currently testing the latest high, so there's a high, low, that low is higher than that high, low. Breaking up, testing previous high, testing now a level of 166 rand to this moment. If it breaks up, definitely back to the 170, 171 levels in the short term. So let's see what the indication is doing there in the market. Market had a great day yesterday. Mr. Price also did well. Testing this double top here, currently testing the previous high as well. And still trading the upward channel between the green and the red volume at this moment. Willis, double top here. Had a bit of a movement yesterday. Still in the upward channel here. There's a low, there's a high, there's a low. The big question is, can you break this 83.67 and go higher above the 85 rand level in this upward channel between the green and the red line? So let's keep it close on this one as well. Truworths. Truworths, downward channel between these two black lines. Tested is 73.98, currently trading at 74.50 at this moment. Small head and shoulder, reversal head and shoulder pattern. There's the shoulders and the leg, head, shoulders and the leg. So the expectation high could be close to the 76 range. Not a lot of movement in that one. BJ, remember tomorrow is big day for BJ results. They're going to expect moderate movement, so we can see speculation coming into the shares already. That's why the share price is lifting up. Trading at 171.20, trading between the green and red line. That's the Bollinger Bands. Still in the upward positive channel going up. Standard Bank also broke up with yesterday's market movement, and it currently went to almost 149 rand from the 148 rand, so about 1 rand up for the day. Let's go to the following, MTN. Now MTN is still showing a bit of downward side, but now if you look at this last part here, sideways, low, high. Still trading between the green and the purple Bollinger Bands at this moment. No big movements in this one as yet. Needs to break about 225 rand if it wants to go higher. Needs to break at 201 rand if it wants to go much lower. Vodacom. Still in the sideways pattern in between the green and the purple Bollinger Band at this moment. Still showing 127.38 is the current high and 124.64 is the current low. So it's trading the sideways band as well, similar to MTN. Let's go into Barloworld. Sideways, no direction in this moment. Imperial. Nice movement upwards. Look at this, low, high, higher. Yesterday was above the 200 rand levels almost. Now it's at the stage breaking this purple line, so there's a bit of a positiveness happening in the share. Next high about 201, 202 in this stage. Looking at indicators, pushing the share a bit higher at this moment. Kumba. Now Kumba did very well so far. As you can see, the blue line here. I'm just going to delete all this indicators for you, and look at the blue line picking up here. Expectation of next high is about 380, and the next high after that could be just here at 388. Shares currently trading 372. Did very well here from the 346, 350 levels in the short term. Still a positive movement going up. Please take, a lot of data still coming to the market, especially tomorrow. And from the US markets, Thursday job figures and Friday non-farm payroll figures also coming out. Enjoy trading.